rational inequalities on functions. So ano tayo tanong? Function of x is equals to 2x plus 3 over x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So first step, find the roots on both numerator and both of these sides. So here 2x equate to 0 to find the roots. So x, transpose natin yung in 3 here. So may gain negative 2 siya. So bale 2x equals to negative 3. Divide both sides by 2. So makukuha natin is negative 3, 2. Okay. Then denominator naman, x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. Okay. The next step is hanapin natin yung all possible solutions. So bale negative infinity muna. Dapat yan is parenthesis yung pinakamababa, which is 3, negative 3 over 2. So let's use negative 3 over 2. Then itong dalawa naman, so I mean parenthesis siya. Ay hindi, tama lang. So bracket, basta hindi siya mag 0, hindi siya mag undefined, you will use bracket since possible root siya. Then negative 3 over 2. So bali ano siya, pinakamababa hanggang pinakamataas, negative. Then 1, yung 1 natin is parenthesis since hindi siya dapat mag-equal to 1. Ayan, mag-ano siya, undefined. Next is positive infinite, parenthesis, 1, parenthesis. Then, find natin yung solutions para malaman natin kung true solutions or false. Yung mga all solutions na possible. Pwede natin gamitin yung ano dito. So, negative 1.5 lang to. Pwede natin gamitin yung negative 2. So, negative 2 to negative, any negative times positive is negative. Then, since mas mataas yung 1.5 sa 2, imagine natin yung 2, diba? 2 times negative 2 is 4. Plus 3 is negative 1. So, negative. Then, dito naman, sa denominator, negative 2. Negative minus negative is just also negative. So, bale, positive na siya. Negative divided by negative is positive. Positive. Then next is, dito naman, pwede natin gamitin yung 0. Since negative 1.5 lang ulit siya. Hanggang 1. 0. 0. Magtitira to. So, magtitira na lang ito. Positive 3 and negative 1. So, positive and negative. Positive divided by negative is, negative. Then, sa last, any positive number. So, 2 na lang din siya. Since parehas lang gagamitin natin dito. 2 times 2 is 4. Positive plus positive is just positive. Here, mas mataas yung 1. Any number na mas mataas sa 1. So, mas mataas siya kaysa sa negative 1. So, maging positive siya. Positive divided by positive is positive. Okay. Since greater than or equal yung inequalities natin, we will find any solutions na negative ilalabas. So, yung solution natin, set of solution is this 3/2 union 1 up to positive infinity. So, ayan na. Then, next page natin. So, paano pag ganito, no? Dapat maging equal to 0 to. So, transpose natin siya here. So, magiging negative siya, no? X plus 2 over x minus 1 minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Then, since yung denominator niya is just positive 1, multiply lang natin to dito. LCD na rin kasi yun. So, magiging x minus 1, x plus 2 minus 3, then x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then, simplify natin. Solve natin to. Distributive property. Negative 3 times x is just negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is negative times negative positive 3. Then, combine like terms natin. X minus 3x is negative 2x. Then, 2, positive 2 plus 3 is 5. So, dito, pwede na natin hanapin yung roots niya. Simplified na siya. Equate to 0. Transpose. Then, divide both sides by negative 2. So ayan na. Okay, since parehas silang negative, so pwede natin i-write as positive 5 half. Then sa numerator, transpose negative magiging positive 1. Oops. Since nakuha na natin yung roots ng numerator and denominator, pwede na tayong gumawa ng set of solutions. So, negative infinity, pinakamababa is 1. 1 equal ba denominator siya, so parenthesis ulit. Not equal. Dapat. Then, dito naman, dalawa na lang. Una yung pinakamababa. Then, 5 ups. Bracket na siya, since pwede siyang ilagay dito, no? Then, positive infinity. Then, ito naman ulit. Then, gawin natin ng table para mas madaling intindihan. So, dito, hanggang 1 hanggang negative siya, no? Any negative. So, pwede natin gawin yung 0. Cancel na to. Cancel. So, ito yung matitira. Positive yung numerator niya. Then, yung denominator is negative. Positive divided by negative is just negative. Then here, pwede natin gamitin, since 2.5 na siya, pwede natin gamitin yung 2. Negative 2 times 2 is positive, is negative 4. Plus 5 is positive. Yan, positive. Then sa denominator, 2 minus 1 is just positive. Positive 1. Then positive divided by positive is positive. Then here, 2.5. Again, any number hanggang infinity. Gamitin natin yung 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Which is higher than 5. So, negative. Then, x. Yung x natin magiging 3. Magiging 3. 3 minus 1 is positive also. So, negative divided by negative is negative. So, since greater than or equal to 0 siya again, dapat positive siya. Greater than or equal, positive. So, yung solution natin is parenthesis 1, 5 half, and 5 ups, bracket.